Namaste Bharata, Uttishta Bharata, motivating youth towards civil services. Civil services is a wonderful opportunity to the youth of Bharata to help realize the dreams of social service and contribute to the process of nation building. Civil services represent amalgamation of legitimate authority, power, placed amidst the demanding circumstances of dynamic work conditions, immense work pressures, calls of efficiency, tests of ethics and integrity constantly. Between the decision maker and decision acceptor, the role of decision implementer is crucial and immense. Civil servants, in the task of upholding the values enshrined in the Constitution in its letter and spirit, face sharp litmus tests day in and day out. In guarding the mandates of our preamble, that is, equality, justice, liberty, and fraternity for public welfare, definitely civil servants face many ethical conundrums, questions, and struggle resolving them. The tasks accomplished by civil servants, the desks of power that they man, demand unquestionable commitment to the principles of ethics and integrity. Not all is rosy and glamorous when it comes to be part of such a demanding, prestigious service. There exists a decent chance that common man knows very less or nothing of the circumstances that civil servants work and perform under. As an aspirant, the motivation one has to gather is through the examples set by the people in service to be part of this heritage service. But unfortunately, not all heroes are sung about, told about, and not all projections of only a few as winners decide the quality of civil servants in our society. This is how the society is plagued at large, and the aspirants remain completely incapable of understanding this and remain incompletely motivated. To qualify for the services, an aspirant, a student, has to acquire a sense of direction, comprehensivity, pattern, and holistic purpose towards the steady path. Meaning that studying with a clear framework and scheduled timelines in a given structure of syllabus is the necessary discipline that one has to accomplish in the journey of preparations for civil services. A comprehensive view of the data to be understood, appreciated, and absorbed to build reflexes towards various stages of examinations is achieved only through consistent hard work and discipline. Social media of late, digital media, the access to data through various platforms, and study materials have been a definite game changer of sorts. And they stand as great equalizers also amongst the aspirants. Given that at the disposal of a student lies immense volume of content from multiple sources, a dilemma as to how to handle such data, such information, and streamline the preparation exists among aspirants. And what is needed by the aspirants, by the students, is to carefully choose, process, and utilize this immense volume of information. And rather than flawing the process of studying through blind imitations or peer influences, students ought to create an atmosphere both physically and psychologically to emerge successful in the process of being qualified to the service. Aspirants should refrain from shortcuts, last-minute readings, and rather build reflexes towards the subject prescribed through disciplined syllabus by various competitive examinations in a steadfast manner. This disciplinizes the study patterns and, more importantly, all the hard work, all the good intent and courage gathered to qualify for the services pays well, and the path chosen to prepare matters abundantly.